So next we're going to use all of this to graph the inequality and follow our steps here. So it's already in slope-intercept form. Our slope is -4, our y-intercept is b. To find out what the line will look like and how we will shade, we look at the inequality sign. So it's greater than, it does not have an equal to, which means it does not include what is on the line, so the line will be dashed. And where will we shade? If it's greater than, we will shade above the line. Okay, so we start at our constant, our y-intercept, which is 5. We put our y-intercept there, and then we will go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and write 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and write 1. Okay, and remember it's a dashed line. So we do the best we can here to get a straight line through the points. It's not going to be perfect unless you use a ruler, which I normally would, but it's a little bit hard while I'm videoing. So it's a dashed line. We shade above the line. If you get confused on that, look at your y-intercept. It says y is greater than that value. Values greater than 5 are above, so we are going to shade over here. So we have to pick a point within the shading to see if it's true. So 0, 0, which we said was our favorite point earlier, that is not in the shading. So we need to pick another point. So I'm going to pick a point somewhere in the shading. I usually do it on one of the lines. So I'm going to choose this point here, which is 5, 0. So this is what this looks like on the step number 4. So we're going to plug in our x and our y into y is greater than -4x plus 5. So I plug in 0 for y. 0 is greater than -4 times our x value, which is 5, and then plus 5. 0 is greater than -4 times 5 is -20 plus 5. 0 is greater than -20 plus 5 is -15. And is 0 greater than all negative values? Yes. So that point is true and our shading is correct. So for the